Okay, so I'm here at Jollibee Diversion Road. So we're gonna try to order using the kiosk. It's like similar to McDonald's in Singapore with the interactive screen. So we will try to use it when we order. So we're gonna tap this one, and then I think we're gonna choose let me try to choose for the order, maybe spaghetti. So you have under spaghetti you have other choices. So I think just choose the plain one with I'm not sure what to choose actually. So maybe I'll try this one. So which one do you like? The S1. Okay, that's great. So I usually order the S1, so I'll just press this one. And then you are taken to another screen with the add-on. So I don't need the add-ons. So maybe let's take a look at the desserts and novelties. Okay. So if I don't need the add-on, I'll just select or click below the add to my order, which is 59 pesos. Okay, so that's it. You pay for order after that. Okay, proceed to payment. So S1 then after sina. So payment. Dine in. Okay. Pay at the counter. Okay. So then we get the receipt, right? Or order number. Okay. So maybe I'll just present this to the counter. Okay, good afternoon. So I think that's it. That's very easy. So, saan siya gin-open ang kiosk? October 20? 30, okay. So it was there since October 30 they said. So I'm gonna pay now for my order. Sprite. Okay.